Hey there, I have to ask, what are your skills like when it comes to fishing with soft plastic lures? Do you feel like you're confident about choosing the right lures when you're in the tackle shop? Do you feel confident about rigging them in all the different ways they can be rigged and fishing them in all the different ways they can be fished under all sorts of fishing scenarios? Or do you feel like you could perhaps use a little bit of help to expand your skills in a friendly and supportive environment? Look, I've been fishing with soft plastic lures consistently for about 25 years, so lots of experience, but I'm still learning every single time I go out. But I've also interviewed over 500 of Australia's best lure fishers over the last few years, and that's helped me to lift my game immeasurably. But there's always new lures coming onto the market, and there's smart anglers who are figuring out how to use those new lures as well as the old ones in different ways, and that's what I love about lure fishing, and particularly soft plastic fishing. If you're a little bit newer to the sport, or if you're making the transition across from bait fishing to lure fishing, it might be a bit more challenging. And I get lots of questions from those people, as well as from people who are more experienced with lures, but who, like me, understand the value of looking over the shoulder of another angler to see what they're doing, just in case there's a technique that I can learn and try and perfect that might move me forward and help me to catch a few more fish. And since I get so many of those questions, and since I don't have enough hours in the day to answer all of them personally, I decided it's about time I put together a soft plastic lure bootcamp that can be viewed online to help as many people as possible to catch more fish on soft plastic lures. What's a soft plastic lure bootcamp? Well, it's an opportunity for you to spend 1 hour a week with me for 12 weeks as I explain how I personally go about fishing with soft plastics. Other people do it different ways, but this is how I do it. Starting with the basics and bringing you along as I go through how I choose soft plastics, the rigging kit that I've put together, and the variety of rigging techniques that range from basic to advanced that I use on a day-to-day basis. And we'll cover all of the main styles of plastics as well, like grubs and worms, paddle tails, jerkbaits, prawns, frogs, you name it. There's a couple of other unusual ones we'll touch on as well, and how to go about fishing with those. So if you'd like to be part of the Doc Lures Soft Plastic Lure Bootcamp, then jump aboard today. The first 100 starters will receive a $100 tackle pack that you can use to follow along as I demonstrate some of the rigging techniques. You can be rigging along as you watch me on the screen demonstrating them live. Then you can take those lures out to the water and put them to good use. Now, the first session of my bootcamp will kick off on Thursday, the 1st of August 2024 at 8 p.m. Brisbane time, with replays and Q&A sessions for anybody who can't make it to the live session. And this is your chance to elevate your fishing game. So sign up now at doclures.com/bootcamp. That's BOOTCAMP, doclures.com/bootcamp. And let's make your next fishing adventure the best one ever.